Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Smoker Cookbook is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to master the art of smoking. This cookbook is packed with recipes, tips, and techniques that will transform your backyard into a haven for delicious, smoky flavors. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting out, this guide will help you create mouth-watering meals that will impress your friends and family. Number 5. Raichlen Barbecue Cookbook, a Meat Smoking Manifesto. This cookbook is your key to unlocking the secrets of amazing barbecue. It's packed with tips and techniques to help you master the art of smoking meat. The author shares his expertise and passion for barbecue. You'll learn everything you need to know to create mouth-watering dishes. Inside, you'll find step-by-step instructions and helpful advice. This book makes the process of smoking meat accessible to everyone. Discover a variety of delicious recipes for all types of meat. It's the perfect guide to elevate your grilling game. With this book, you'll gain the knowledge and confidence to become a barbecue expert. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. What we like. This book is a manifesto for meat smoking. It delves deep into the art and science of barbecue, offering expert insights and techniques. If you are looking for a comprehensive guide to mastering the craft of barbecue, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Chapter 2 gives a brief description of several types of smokers, the original pits, the offset smokers, and the upright drum smoker. Chapter 3 is wood. Chapter 4 is fire plus smoke, how to start the fire and keep it going with good smoke. Aaron lights a few charcoal briquettes in a chimney starter, puts them in the fire chamber, and puts some wood on top of them, and they light. He only uses wood for cooking. You don't get smoke from charcoal, gas, or electricity. You need wood for smoke. Most other books say to use charcoal plus a few chunks of wood to get the smoke. I do that with my Weber Smoky Mountain and I think it works fine. Smoke contains solids, liquids, and gases. The gases are invisible, but they do the most to penetrate into the meat and give it flavor. Number 4. Project Smoke, Smoked Food Nirvana Recipes by Raichlen. Are you ready to elevate your grilling game? This book reveals the 7 steps to smoked food nirvana. It's the ultimate guide to unlocking incredible flavors. From the perfect brisket to other classic dishes, this book covers it all. It provides step-by-step instructions to help you master these timeless recipes. Explore a world of flavors with 100 mouth-watering recipes. The book offers a wide range of options, from traditional favorites to exciting new creations. Venture beyond the ordinary with adventurous recipes. You'll discover exciting combinations, like smoked bacon bourbon, that will tantalize your taste buds. This book is part of the Raichlen Barbecue Bible Cookbook series. It's your go-to resource for all things barbecue and smoking. What we like. It offers a wide range of recipes, from classic to adventurous. The book guides you through 7 steps to smoked food nirvana. If you like exploring diverse flavors and techniques, this cookbook will take your smoking game to the next level. What people say. He explains the options for flavoring the raw food, salting, curing, brining, marinades, etc. He makes the differences in smoking methods sound simple, and he includes easy-to-read charts for identifying which woods are used for smoking regionally. Chapters are devoted to basics and the 7 steps to smoking nirvana and explanations of smoker types, 35 pages on that, so it's far more than a vague arm wave, starters, beef, pork, lamb, burgers, sausages, and more, poultry, seafood, vegetables, side dishes, and meatless smoking, desserts, cocktails. Project Smoke not only tells you how to cook meat, but it tells you how to smoke vegetables, cheese, fish, absolutely everything, and also includes recipes for the sauces and spice rubs. Number 3. The Complete Electric Smoker Cookbook. Are you ready to elevate your grilling game? This cookbook is packed with over 100 recipes. It offers essential techniques for smoking your favorite foods. From classic barbecue to innovative creations, this book has it all. It provides detailed instructions for achieving perfect results every time. Learn the secrets to mastering your electric smoker. This guide covers everything from temperature control to wood chip selection. It will help you become a smoking expert. Whether you're new to smoking or a seasoned pro, this cookbook has something for you. It simplifies the process and helps you create amazing meals. Get ready to impress your friends and family with mouth-watering smoked dishes. This cookbook is your key to unlocking delicious flavors and unforgettable meals. What we like. This cookbook is specifically tailored for electric smokers. It provides essential techniques and over 100 recipes. If you have an electric smoker and want to create delicious smoked dishes with ease, it is the ideal companion. What people say. This book was perfect as it explains everything from the different types of smokers and choices of woods to use, to great new marinades and barbecue sauces. There are many meat and vegetable recipes with easy-to-understand directions for the newbie. It offers fantastic suggestions as to what to buy and what to look for. Number 2. Smoking Meat 101, Beginner's Guide. Welcome to Smoking Meat 101. This guide is designed for beginners. It will walk you through everything you need to know to start smoking meat like a pro. Smoking is a cooking method that uses low heat and smoke to cook food. This process imparts a unique flavor and texture. It's a great way to enjoy delicious meals. There are many types of smokers available. You can choose from electric, gas, or charcoal smokers. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages, so pick the one that suits your needs. The choice of meat is crucial. Popular choices include brisket, ribs, and pork shoulder. Make sure you select high-quality meat for the best results. Before smoking, you'll need to prepare the meat. This often involves trimming, seasoning, and sometimes marinating. Proper preparation is key to a flavorful outcome. The smoking process involves maintaining a consistent temperature and adding wood for smoke flavor. It usually takes several hours, so patience is important. The result is worth the wait. Once the meat is cooked, let it rest before slicing and serving. You can enjoy it on its own or with your favorite sides. It's a truly satisfying experience. What we like. It is designed as the ultimate beginner's guide. The book simplifies the smoking process with easy-to-follow techniques. If you are new to smoking and want a straightforward introduction, this is the perfect starting point. What people say. This book is broken into two valuable parts. In Part 1, the first 32 pages focuses on giving a very consumable and unbiased voiceover of the fundamentals of smoking. It has a lot of juicy information about how different smokers work, and I immediately put a marker on page 20 because the author provides a great quick reference table for meats including smoking temperature, cooking time, internal temperature, and which wood to use. In the second part, 75 very consumable recipes. Each recipe in this book contains a single paragraph for context, and then it's on to ingredients and the instructions. The best aspect of this book is the information given in the beginning pages and how it's laid out and presented. Number 1. Masterbuilt Electric Smoker Cookbook, 150 Recipes. Are you ready to elevate your smoking game? This cookbook is packed with 150 amazing recipes. It will guide you to create mouth-watering meals. Don't have all day to cook? No problem. This cookbook offers fast and easy recipes perfect for any occasion. You'll be enjoying delicious smoked food in no time. Impress your family and friends with incredible smoked dishes. This cookbook provides recipes suitable for both family dinners and large get-togethers. Everyone will love it. Planning your meals has never been easier. This cookbook includes a comprehensive 1,000-day meal plan. It ensures you always have a delicious meal idea. Unlock the full potential of your Masterbuilt electric smoker. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to smoking success. Get ready to become a smoking expert. What we like. This cookbook features 150 fast and easy recipes for your family and get-togethers. It also includes a 1,000-day meal plan. If you are looking for convenient recipes and meal planning, this cookbook will make your family gatherings a breeze. What people say. Lots of great recipes, useful information. So many recipes for giving a smoky flavor to a variety of foods. Very good, lots of ideas for smoking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.